I'm Ian Hecox, a mediocre comedian and a terrible cook. I'm off to learn from the best kind of teacher there is, Nanas. Today's Nana is Charlotte, a Nana adding a little southern flavor to the kitchen. Charlotte?
Hi.
Hi, Ian. This is Sunday at Nana's. Okay, Charlotte, so what are we making today?
We are making macaroni and cheese. It's probably a recipe that's about 100 years old.
Where even do we start? Because this is not the mac and cheese that I'm used to. I'm used to mac and cheese being in a box
Right.
and just being powder.
Well, we're going to start with, we need to cook the macaroni.
We're just gonna dump this into
Yeah.
this boiling pot?
Yeah, there's a little bit of oil so that the noodles won't stick. We're going to crack the eggs
Okay.
and put the eggs in here.
All right. Yep, there's a shell.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to have to pull it out.
I just don't know my own strength, I guess. You know? Come on, buddy. How do you crack an egg?
On the counter,
So how do you do it on the counter?
just like this. See, it's much more elegant.
That is more elegant.
Okay, so now you have to whip them. Okay, good, good. Okay, now you're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
In there?
Yes,
All right.
the half. No.
Okay.
Isn't this,
Oh, that's a quarter.
oh, it's a quarter, so 2 of those.
Yeah, that works.
You know your
Math.
Right, math.
All right.
Okay, now we're gonna add 2.5 cups of the buttermilk.
Great. Yep, smells like buttermilk. Just mix it up more?
Yeah, but be careful because you need to mix it slower
How long do you usually let the macaroni cook for?
till the noodles are cooked.
All right, that's that's a
And
reasonable
guess
amount
what?
of time.
You get to taste one to
Ooh,
make
okay.
sure it's
Yeah.
cooked.
Hot noodle. All right, there we go. There's one noodle right there.
Okay. Yes?
Yeah, seems about right.
I'm gonna give you 2 mittens.
Oh, thank you. These are adorable.
Aren't they
They
adorable?
look like little duck bills.
The pot can slip, so hold them carefully.
Here comes the mac.
So now you're gonna put the pot over here.
Okay.
You need a paper towel,
Okay. Is that good enough?
yes, and you are going to butter the sides and the bottom. Dump the noodles in here.
Okay.
Ooh, I love having help.
Here come the nudes.
Now you're gonna dump this mixture in. Spread it around.
Just kind of.
No, hard.
Oh, I thought
Don't
you
be
said
gentle.
Okay.
Don't be gentle.
All right.
Just
I'll
mix
be,
it up.
I'll be mean to this mac.
Yeah.
I think we have a good dynamic.
Okay, yes.
You order me to do things, and I do them
Yes.
somewhat proficiently.
And it's a pleasure because when it comes to cooking for my family, I do all the cooking. Now we're gonna melt the butter.
Okay, just kind of.
Take the spoon and mix it right away.
Okay.
You don't
see-
have to be gentle.
Sorry, I just want to give it tender, loving care.
I know, of course. Okay, now that it's all mixed, now you're gonna add the cheese.
Finally.
And you're gonna start mixing it.
I
No,
have no-
just dump it.
Oh, dump it. Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Now mix it up.
And what kind of cheese is this? Is it
It's
sharp?
sharp cheddar. I don't like mild cheddar.
Yeah, that's right. None of that weak stuff here. Thanks for looking
Ready
out.
to go in the oven.
It's going in the oven.
Yes,
Ooh, it's warm in there.
correct.
All
I
right.
turned it on.
So now we're gonna wait at least 30 minutes, and we're gonna see how good this mac and cheese is gonna be.
And guess what? You can wash the dishes if you want to.
Yay! It would be my honor. Yeah. Do you just dig in with a spoon?
Dig in with a spoon, and I have some special forks. Thank you.
Whoa. I'm gonna take a little more for myself.
Please. So these forks,
Oh, wow. Hmm.
these were mother's forks, real ivory.
Wow. Well, that's impressive.
Okay, I want you to try this
All right.
and tell me what you think.
I need to blow on it.
Yes, you do.
All right. This is great. It's not anything like, you know, your sort of like creamy mac and cheese. It's got a little something extra.
Mm-hmm. It's the buttermilk. It's really good, I have to say. Oh my goodness.
So I didn't screw it up.
You did not screw it up.
So you've been making this for how long?
Probably 40 years at least.
Wow. And the recipes stayed the same?
Recipe stayed the same.
But this is the original.
That's the original, right. You see how marked up it is?
Yeah. It looks like an old treasure map with like stains and there's some blood. Charlotte, thank you so much for letting us in your house.
Thank you.
This was awesome. Thank you so much for showing us this recipe.
Thank you, Ian. It was good fun.
Thank you. And we'll see you next time.